Tesla Cybertrucks spotted near Giga Texas crash test lab. 2 Tesla Cybertrucks were spotted near Gigafactory Texas crash test lab. Tesla appears to be preparing to conduct more crash tests on the Cybertruck. A recent video on drone operator Joe Tetmeyer's YouTube channel showed Tesla Gigafactory Texas crash test lab. Tetmeyer noted that 2 fully covered Cybertrucks were parked beside the crash test lab. One of the most interesting were 2 Cybertrucks under covers near the crash testing facility. And crews were easily visible in the south end of the structure preparing the crash wall, pit, and other items for future use, explained Tetmeyer. The 11th of September 2023. Giga Texas. Slow day, especially with production paused, but still busy. Do you think these Cybertrucks will get up close and personal with this crash wall? WEOL facility steel, concrete geotextile membranes. W entrance nearly finished. It is possible Tesla intends to carry out its own crash testing of the Cybertrucks to have additional data on the behavior of these new vehicles in crashes. And Tesla tends to perform more crash testing scenarios, as does the NHTSA, he said. Tesla has been teasing Cybertruck crash tests since the beginning of the year. Most recently, a pair of Cybertrucks was spotted at the back of a trailer, presumably returning from a crash test. One of the Cybertrucks was covered, like in Tetmeyer's video. The second one, however, was fully exposed and had a sticker that read Cybertruck ditch rollover. Tesla plans to start initial Cybertruck deliveries by the end of the year. It has yet to announce plans for a Cybertruck launch and delivery event. However, with Cybertruck sightings increasing daily, Tesla will likely announce the date of the event soon. Earlier this month, Tesla Giga Texas halted Model Y and Cybertruck assembly lines for upgrades and retooling. Drone operator Jeff Roberts recently spotted 2 Tesla Cybertrucks at Giga Texas, heading toward supercharger stalls. The difference between the Tesla Cybertruck's air suspension ride heights was evident as they charged side by side. The pair of Cybertrucks is the first spotted at Giga Texas since it upgraded and retooled its assembly lines. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Teslarati.